Mayor Jeremy L. Limbaco, to Mayor Bobby Lagrosas, to Honorable Avelino M. Kilab, and to Adiper B. Canyo and the PTA President.
Ato ka lang ng gobernador, uban! Ang busy gobernador ang umaabot isa. Lawrence Babiera. My respect sa atong barangay kapitan, barangay Captain Kilaw, barangayang katibukan, barangay council nga nakakaroon. My respect also to Ma'am Limbaco, always, every day, gorgeous yung kayo si Ma'am. Ma'am, mayong buntag sa imo. And of course, the family of Tepet, I don't have to say.
As a public servant like me, as the chief executive of this town, it's always an honor for me to serve my people. And one way in the pillars, and one of the pillars of my administration is education. As you can see, taliwala sa unang panahon, makita ni ginalugar ni, grabe ka ni Kalamakan. Dagan nga kabaw diri, dagan nga kanding, daghan tanan mga baka. Apan karon we have transformed this into something that we will always remember, that this place will be a place for education. People who could give justice to our people. And with this, as you can see, dili na ako masalom nga akong kalipay, labi na karong adlaw. Kaya nga naman, sa una damgo lamang kini, nagsugod lang kita ng duha ka buok niya.
Tibukan sa Mantikaw, I'm always giving them fair and just treatment. And also I want to acknowledge, this is not the first time also I want to acknowledge my people in my office, under my chief executive office, especially my department head, was very supportive in my idea. Every time that I ask them, especially if I have problems, I approach them and they give me solution. With respect and honor, please give a hand to all of my department heads under the mayor's office. My friends, since this is a day which we will always remember, the contentment of every individual, regardless of public servant or private citizen, is to give services to our people. Ang katagbawan sa katao, tao nga pribado, tao nga nasa gobyerno nga pagpanerbisyo, mao ang paghatag sa serbisyo ngadto sa katawan. This is what we're doing, service to humanity. So mga parents nga naa karon, isipa ninyo kining eskwelahan nga ato ini. This is the fruit of our money. This is the fruit of our taxes. Maingon ikaw